To replace your ice bucket assembly, first thing you do is open the door. Grab from underneath your ice bucket assembly and pull straight back. After discarding your old assembly, take your new OEM assembly, which you can purchase it on our website, by sliding the tracks back in on either side, making sure it lines up, and then placing it in, and then you're all set. You've just replaced your ice bucket assembly. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.